warm greetings to all my fellow YouTubers and welcome back to one more video on Win vs Droid. Let's open this package now. Probably it has to have some kind of a cable. That's what it says on the package. Let's see what cable it is. And inside you have one more package. So package inside package. Okay, let's cut through this thing. And there's one more. No, that's it. So this is okay. So this is a reversible micro USB cable. It's 1 meter in length. Let me check out the specs of this product and then I'll come back. Okay, so the price I paid for this is around $2 with free shipping, but currently for the same product and on the same from the same seller, the price is around $6. Okay, so let's take it out. So here it says 1 meter in length. It has a reversible micro USB connector, and that's not the only thing it has. It also has a reversible USB connector. You can use it for charging and data sync for Android devices. It's white in color, not bad. And it also said that it is tangle free, but it's not flat, so I don't know how it's tangle free. Probably it doesn't have to be flat to be tangle free. You also get an instruction manual how to use it. But who needs an instruction manual for using micro USB cable, right? And it's 1 meter, as I mentioned, white in color. The particular seller didn't have this in black or any other color. White was probably the only option available. So you can see here it has a reversible USB 2 on this side, and here you can see it's not normal micro USB, but it's a reversible micro USB. So how do I demo it to you guys? Wait, let me just bring my phone. So here's my phone, and here comes my router. One port is powering this phone. Let's use the other end. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it goes in this way. Let's try reverse. It definitely does. Now let's test the other end. Okay, it went in like this, and it's charging. Let's try the other way, and it's charging here as well, in this way as well. The cable looks of good quality that you would feel in your hand when you hold this cable in your hand. I would definitely suggest in case you need my recommendation to buy this thing. So this is a great accessory to have for your smartphone, and in case you are worried about your smartphone not having USB-C type port, and in case you are too much, what do you say, if this micro USB port gives you too much trouble, then this is definitely the cable you should be purchasing for ease of use. And that's it as far as the unboxing of this product was concerned. So I hope you enjoyed this thing. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.